In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a Miro board, which can be done easily via the board link across all plans. Now, let's say you or someone with access to your team unintentionally deleted a board, and now you're in a bit of a panic. Don't worry, it's quite straightforward. Let me guide you through the process. First, you'll need to navigate to the original board link. This is the unique URL that was associated with your board before it was deleted. It usually looks something like this: https://miro.com app/board, followed by a series of numbers and characters unique to your board. It's essential to have this link, as it remains active even after the board has been deleted. Once you visit this link, you'll be greeted with a prompt on the screen that indicates the board you're trying to access is indeed deleted. It might seem alarming at first, but right there, within the prompt, you'll find an option to restore the board. This feature is designed to make sure that accidental deletions aren't permanent and that your hard work isn't just gone forever. Go ahead and click on the Restore option. Once you do this, Miro works its magic, and your board will reappear on your dashboard, back in its original state, just the way you left it. It's as simple as that. The instant restoration feature is quite impressive, and it really serves as a safety net for users of any plan, ensuring vital information is not lost. Remember, this process requires you to have the board's original link. It's a good practice to keep these links handy or bookmarked if you often work with important or collaborative boards. In doing so, you can quickly access the recovery option should you ever need it. Additionally, considering that accidents do happen, it's reassuring to know that the restoration feature ensures your data isn't lost due to accidental deletion. To sum it up, restoring a Miro board is a straightforward process when you have the board link. The link serves as your crucial tool in regaining access to a deleted board, ensuring any updates, ideas, or creative work you'd invested isn't lost. So take a deep breath, access the link, click Restore, and let Miro handle the rest. Hopefully, this walkthrough has made the restoration process clear and manageable. Should you encounter any issues beyond this, Miro's customer support is quite responsive and can assist you further. Thanks for watching, and happy brainstorming on Miro.